So the amount of time an athlete should rest between seasons does sometimes vary, but we do generally recommend a short rest between to allow their bodies to essentially reset for the new sports season that's coming up, whether that's 1 week or 2 weeks, allowing them to kind of rest and decompress to allow their body to heal and to allow them to reset for the next kind of demanding season that will be coming to them. Overuse injuries that can occur due to insufficient rest are very vast. So a lot of times if someone is dealing with a lot of ankle pain or shoulder pain or any kind of tendinous issues, continuing to work and play and on these without resting between seasons can just further build those up on each other. You also are putting yourself at risk for different kinds of stress reactions and stress fractures, so overusing something and not resting between different sports or different seasons can further complicate and cause more overuse injuries over time, leading to further time out of sport. So some acute injuries that can occur due to insufficient rest, the big things that I think of are things like fractures. Something, whether it's a stress fracture from overusing something and then bam, an acute injury or acute fracture comes through that, or also just being too fatigued because you've been working and playing for so long that you did not rest enough time, that you start getting fatigability, and then doing your mechanics not as appropriate then can put you at risk of falling or tripping and causing a certain kind of fracture. So fatigability of the muscles is definitely something that can occur without resting, which then puts you prone to different kind of injuries. So some recovery areas that are good to focus on is definitely rest, as mentioned, right? So resting and allowing your body to recover between sports or between seasons to really allow you to bounce back even stronger. So rest does not have to mean, sitting around, right? Rest can be active rest, whether that is walking, whether it's doing a treadmill or biking, any kind of thing that is essentially taking you out of that very competitive competition to allow your body to slowly recover from an exercise realm. We also really like to emphasize the importance of hydration as well as nutrition. So keeping up with our water intake, allowing us to have the proper nutrition available to support our body, to support our muscles, and everything to allow us to recover and advance our activity so we can bounce back for that second season. We also have multiple recovery modalities, whether that is flow hydration, compression devices to try to increase some of that vascular supply to some of those muscles that are getting a lot of demand, can help with the recovery process. We have multiple AHN facilities that have recovery techniques, such as our Montour office as well as the Coriopolis office that has those recovery compression devices, the vibration plates to allow you to recover and keep you back in sport. So how can AHN Sports Medicine help keep you in the game? So we are here every step of the way, whether that is after school, whether that is at practice, whether that is in games. We are here to support you in aid and recovery to allow you to stay healthy and as happy as you can be in your sport and beyond.